Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. If you want to make money online and if you want to do a freelancing and if you want to work from home, maybe this channel gonna help you a lot. As a freelancer, I know how you struggle to get your first job. So I make videos for you and it's completely free and step-by-step tutorials, and making money isn't tough in 2023 and it's just to know the process. And if you invest yourself and if you invest in time, so the easiest way is to start making money is freelancing, doing freelance job like data entry, copy paste, the easiest job you can do wherever you are, and you can find the from Upwork, Fiverr, different marketplace. And in this video I will show you a live project where it's a simple data entry job and you can earn. So if you are a student and if you want to make money from home, so this video for you. So if you find this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you will get a playlist where you can find the Fiverr data entry jobs or lead generation jobs. So no more delay, so let's jump into our main topic. My Upwork account, and here we can see a project data entry from website. So this is a project details. Here you can see the requirements first, and the project budget is $20. And if you want this kind of project, so you must have to open a Upwork account and set up, and you have to set up professionally and you have to apply. Here you can see the apply now button. So let's check the job description. Okay, the task is copy the company name and email address from a website into a Google spreadsheet. Here is the video tutorial, and here you can see the loom.com buyer already shared a video, and it's totally instruction, like it's easy. Copy the company and email address. So you have to copy a company name and email address, and you have to input the Google spreadsheet. Okay, and the payment is only $20 USD. Only apply if you are willing to have the job finished by Sunday. Okay, so it's the deadline. So if you can finish the job within this deadline, so you must have to apply this job. So if you want to done this kind of project, so you must have to know some basic web research like the company and the industry, and also the websites, a different part, and also have to manage the Google spreadsheets. It's really important. So here is the instruction video. So let's open it. So I already watched the instruction. It's 1 minute 24 seconds, very small, and I watched the process, and I will show you the step by step what you have to do. And it's really easy. If and every project buyer will help you, and buyer will give you the instruction where you can know the process. So it's really easier for you. Okay, so here you can see the website heizang.com, 11880 heizang.com. so this is the instruction by this buyer. So let's open the website. So this is the website. So for this project we have to create a Google spreadsheet. So let's open the spreadsheet first. So we have to customize this Google spreadsheet. That's when we have to input the name. Okay, it could be your project name, or project name should be perfect. Like you have to input this all the name here, like so data entry from website. Okay, and we have to find only email address and company name. So that's when we have to input a column like company, and another column should be email address. Okay, so you can customize this, like you can set a color and you can do it as a bold. Okay, so let's find the information. Okay, in this kind of project you will find a lots of competitor. Like here you can see the proposal has been sent already 50 plus. That's been the 50 plus freelancer. They already sent the proposal. They want to do this project, and buyer already interviewing 12 person, and you have to create a sample project like this kind of sample, and you have to include this Google spreadsheet into your job proposal. Okay, so it's very important to get a job fastly. Okay, so this is the website. So this is the company information. Here you can see the company name. So let's open the company information. This is the company details. So this is a Germany directory website. That's why you have to translate it, like use the Google Translate. Here you can see the German. This is the German language, and here you can see the English language. Okay, So if you want to translate this website, any website, so you must have to install the Google Translate. Okay, all right, so let's copy the company name. So copy the company name and paste it here, and the email address. Here you can see the email address. Copy the email address and paste it here. So that's the job. So after finishing this one, you have to go back again, or you can open the new tab. Okay, so let's open the second one, copy it, paste it here, go back to the main, and here you can see the email address perfectly copied. So paste it here, and it's pretty much easier any kind of project. All right, so let's grab the third one. So this is the last one I will show you, and I hope you understand the process. So how easy the job is, right? So you can do this easily wherever you are. So you don't need to high skill to learn this kind of job or to get this job. Okay, so you just know the how we can analyze the website, or finding the information, collect and copy and paste, and managing the Google Sheet. That's it. And the first thing is that you have to understand the buyer requirements, and as much as early you have to apply this kind of project, chances will be higher you can get this job. And you can see it's a total entry-level job. So if you love this content, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come back with another tutorials, and if you have any queries or any suggested videos, please comment below. I will make that for you. So till then, have a good day. Tata, bye bye.